I respect you because all of the students have joined they have shown the interest to join in the government high school and the government college. First of all, I thank your parents and I respect all the students. And nobody will compromise with the infrastructure. But I don't know, now you have decided to join, your parents decided to join in the government school. And basic things and responsibilities and my duty and your teachers and be your responsibility to give a best infrastructure for the schools and the colleges. And where we are failing because of lack of infrastructure. And we are not able to mobilize the funds for all the schools in my constituency. All the schools, 100 schools or 150 schools, high schools, primary schools and government colleges. And I was thinking for the better improvement, giving the best classroom and best infrastructure. Now we are going and planning and bringing for the smart class. And the smart class, I will give a small information to you and better information will be given from Infosys company and they are the officers for the CSR activity. And Ms. Chetan sir, he has come with us and he has already into that activity, CSR activity and giving a best infrastructure for all the government schools. And they have done this project in the government schools in the Bevanalli. This is the CSR activities and they are providing the smart classes to all the government schools and the best infrastructure also. I think ನೀವು ಕಾಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ they are into the same system. They give the same infrastructure and the same system will be adopted to schools. So we have selecting some few schools only because that you are showing a concern to government schools. So we have selected some few schools in the this area, KGF area, urban area. I have not shifted this program to rural part. After this I will shift to rural part also. This is your smart classes and this will be a whiteboard and other details they will give you properly. So to give a best infrastructure, to respect your concern and your parents' interest also, we want to do this CSR activity through Infosys. And we respect them, we appreciate them and they are coming to our doorstep because they are coming to KGF constituency and respecting us and giving the best infrastructure. So we respect their concern also. And my concern, let them have a word with you and what all the infrastructure they are providing to you and what best things, toilets, classrooms and smart classes, let them introduce themselves and give a best information to all your teachers and the students also. Please.
ಚೇತನ್ ಸರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಿಡು.
ஆரம்பிக்கலாங்களா? தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம், தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம், தரம் என்றும் நிரந்தரம். வாங்க.